In 2025, Canadians are diving headfirst into the world of AI travel planning, and it's transforming the way we explore the globe. Imagine having a personal travel assistant that knows your preferences, suggests hidden gems, and even optimizes your itinerary in real time. No more endless hours of research or juggling multiple apps. With AI, you can simply input your interests, budget, and travel dates, and voila! You get a tailor-made adventure. From booking flights to finding the best local eateries, AI is making travel not just easier, but more personalized. Picture this. You're in a new city, and your AI assistant recommends a cozy cafe just around the corner that matches your taste perfectly. It's like having a local friend guiding you every step of the way. So, if you're planning a trip, why not embrace this tech revolution? Travel made easy is just a click away, and I can't wait to see where it takes us next.